So the machine's a very simple machine to use, and I think Sreten already knows what he's doing with it, so let's have a look and see.
Kinda. The huge benefit with this machine is the size. I mean, I can put a subframe from a car in here easily and clean it up, which is a huge benefit. Normally those are really painful to clean, and a small part like this is gonna take a matter of minutes to clean up.
So you just got to activate it with the pedal. It's quite easy to use as well.
Ready to blast. The pedal is here, the pressure is hooked up, we're good to go. Look at that. Just look at it. What a difference. What a difference. So obviously when you're blasting, the water is going everywhere, but thankfully this machine has a handy wiper. Can you maybe explain us a bit more about the system and how it works?
Well, we've spoke about the closed loop, the sedimentation tank at the back of the machine, which is recycling the water. That water comes back into the machine, completing that closed loop, through a windscreen cleaner here, so you can always see what you're doing.
Yeah.
And also inside the machine, when you want to rinse something, you've got this handy gun here.
So easy to use.
Indeed. So the windscreen cleaner and the hose is how that closed loop is completed.
It's absolutely clean water, so when you need to rinse parts out, it just works out brilliantly and easily. The part genuinely looks a million times better. Just look at that difference there and there. The untreated and treated part. Amazing. Normally when you clean parts like this, they have like a million nooks and crannies. And if you want to clean this here, it is incredibly difficult to do it by hand or whatever else, brush. But with this machine, you just point it there and it's a matter of seconds and it's clean. You know, you can compare it to here where it's not clean. So I'm absolutely loving this. It saves so much time to clean parts like this. Brilliant.
It's looking good.
Yeah.
What do you use then to dry it off?
The air compressed gun here, which also makes it rather easy to blow it out because I don't have to go to the compressor, so quite convenient.